let's try and get a bit more beeline out of this now. Right, let me get rid of that that cymbal. Too many cymbals. It's got to go. It's got to flow with the tune. You know what I mean? There you go, that's better. It's a bit more grooving, you know what I mean, with the groove. I don't want to do that. Okay, so colorize. Let's go and boom. Let's go and boom. There you go, and then fourth one or whatever. Boom. This is a flavour. This is a flavour, man. This is a flavour. Cha. Cha. Right. Cha. Now it needed a little cymbal thing going on. Right up to the line. Ideally I wanted a cymbal there. I'll come back to that later. Okay, right, let me see. So straight away. Right, so that big tune, bit boring for me. Not boring, but like, I want to separate it up a bit. I want to put some slices on that. Okay, no, get rid of that. We got to put that technically on another Redux, I think. Alright, let me save that. How do we do this now? This is really weird. Okay, it feels like re-noise, but not quite. And this is what's all this? Okay. No, I'm not gonna mess with that. I need that sample on a new Redux, but it's not. Ah, wait. Can you put in? No, this is weird. Alright, guys, that's enough for one video for now. Smash the like button if you want to see more, and it's just as simple as that. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and you'll get notifications. Turn on the notification bell, and you'll get notifications every time I upload. That is it for today's session. I hope you enjoyed it. Cubase, Busy Bee Science, out of here. I'm a everyday junglist.